Yep.
Okay, 3, 2,
1,
go.
Lucky number 7. Did you know that Deadlocked is the 4th game in the Ratchet and Clank series?
I did not know this.
Well, it's also the last proper PS2 game they made.
What counts as a proper PS2 game?
Well,
not size matters.
Not size matters. I forgot to walk. I'm sorry. I bring shame and dishonor upon my family. Well, the other games that were on the PS2 are Size Matters and Secret Agent Clank, which were designed for the PSP, and are better on the PSP.
Check your map. Ratchet, you have now.
That was still a great split.
Yeah. We can do it. I believe in us.
That's good. Whoops.
Here is a nice little
stop shooting
in
there.
challenge mode. You can now buy Ratchet. Be careful not to stray too far from your partner, Ratchet. If you
Okay. Let's do it. Let's play. Insta-click. Let's go. Yeah!
Nice. And then...
I give you back the rocket launcher.
Yep.
You give me the mines.
Rockets. My analog stick is snapping back and picking different weapons. That's alright. 34, that's fine. Pushing L1. It's just muscle memory.
It's fine. Doesn't know how.
Keeps my go. I need to feel weapon.
Meanwhile, my poor controller is slowly dying.
Yeah, at least I get to just hold the R1 button to shoot them.
The sad thing is, right, like, I sit here and I'm like, you know what, all the, you know, the PlayStation 3s, 2s, 1s, like, all these old consoles are slowly but surely dying.
Yep.
But there's theoretically nothing that stops Sony from just running off another million PlayStation 3s one day.
True.
Like, Sony could just wake up and say, yeah, they're just gonna do a production run of PlayStation 3s.
Yep. I think so. No star in the middle of that. Okay, this was pretty sweet. So this is probably going to be a gold split for Ghost Station.
Now, in order to shut down
Pick
the
my
central,
menu is fine. He says, fuck the menu. Still getting a gold split anyway.
5 seconds now.
Yeah.
We're on world record pace.
We are.
We actually are.
We actually are.
So we get our clips like first try on this, like that's but like
I could just not get the SI or whatever,
no.
right? But like,
the problem isn't so much the console as the controls. Like the DualShock 3 breaks.
yep.
Like everyone I know is slowly wearing through all of their DualShock 3s. And they're expensive and hard to find. What is an SI?
We just don't know. Having fun.
Yeah, it's like a rhythm game.
Sure. Weird rhythm game, but
I think I got the last bomb. Haha.
you did, because once your dialogue pops up, mine doesn't exist.
Yeah, wrecked. I looked at the explosion again. Sorry. Insta clip. Yeah, insta clip.
Teleport.
Teleport. MP, look at the floor. Be ready on teleport.
There we go.
There you go. Through the door, teleport. Bounced. Life is a
Love the
shame.
frames. Open light. No, no, I'm perfect. Here we go.
Don't look.
Oh, look, explosions.
It is nice that we get that like half a second of downtime while we wait for it to
Yeah.
blow up to breathe.
Don't think I went low enough there. That's fine. Through. Come on.
What?
What?
I clicked on your mine! I've never seen that before!
Okay, I sincerely hope that this is world
Oh my
record.
god! Oh, we need to send that to Mobius!
Okay, let's dig in.
Fuck! Deadlocked. Deadlock Ben, deadlock. Okay, I think this is world record.
This is world record.
This is world record. Yeah, boy! Nice!
Yeah.
What the fuck did I do?
I want to watch it back.